Welcome to Relax with Yogi Bryan. Just close the eyes and just pay attention to the breath. So just your natural breath, closing the eyes. And it's either in and out through the nose or it's in and out through the mouth. But just your natural breath. Allow yourself to settle here in your space, in your bed. Just your natural breath here, in and out. And all you have to do is breathe, and all you have to do is listen to my instructions. As my instructions fade away once you fade into sleep. Yeah, wiping away any to-do lists, any expectations, anything throughout the day, just wipe it clear. Any to-do list that you have, anything heavy on your mind, just wipe that to-do list clean, just like you're wiping away a chalkboard. And just really see it, either a dry erase board or a chalkboard. Wipe your to-do list clear, clean, nothing on your to-do list. And as you do that, you feel the body relax even more. You feel a wave of relaxation throughout your body here. You just notice the breath is starting to smooth out. The breath is starting to become nice and steady. Noticing longer exhales. And you're feeling the body relaxing even more and more. Body feels so comfortable in the space. The breath is starting to smooth out, just in and out through the nose. The mouth is closed here, in and out through the nose, just the natural breath. Nice and steady, nice and smooth. Feeling that wave of relaxation throughout the body. Starting to take a scan of the body. So really noticing the tips of the toes. And just taking a scan, just slowly scanning up the body into the legs, into the knees, into the thighs, backs of the legs, up into the hips, around the waist, tips of the fingers, around the hands, around the wrists, around the forearms, lower arms, around the torso, up the torso, in the chest, into the elbows, into the upper arms, down the back, up and down the spine, around the shoulders, into the throat, around the back of the head, into the jaw, into the upper lip, into the lower lip, into the tongue, tip of the nose, the cheeks, eyelids, eyes, brow line. Whole body starts to relax out the crown of your head. Feeling a wave of relaxation out the body. Tips of the toes out the crown of the head. Feeling that wave of relaxation throughout the body. Allowing yourself to fully relax. Eyelids are so relaxed. The eyelids feel so heavy. Eyelids feel so heavy here. If you try to open up your could not even open them up. Try to open the eyelids. The eyes are so heavy. Eyelids are so relaxed here. Feeling that wave of relaxation throughout the body. Body's starting to relax even more and more. The sound of my voice makes you relax even deeper. Any sounds in your environment that you can hear relaxes you even more and more. Feeling that wave of relaxation throughout the body. I want you to see yourself, visualize yourself at the top of a set of stairs. There's 10 steps. And you look down this set of stairs and there's the most comfortable bed. At the bottom of the stairs here, the most comfortable bed. You can see with so many pillows and so comfortable. I want you to look down. I want you to take that first step. So I want you to take that first step. And once you take that first step on these set of stairs, you feel a wave of relaxation throughout the body. Feel this magnetic energy of relaxation throughout the body once you took that step. And then take the next step. So you're on your second step here. Take that step and you feel even more relaxed as you're walking towards this bed, this comfortable bed. And then take the third step, feeling that wave of relaxation throughout the body, really seeing the step, visualizing it. And then take the fourth step, feeling that wave of relaxation throughout the body from the tips of the toes all the way to the crown of the head. Taking the fifth step here, and the sixth step. Taking the seventh step. Eighth step, feeling that wave of relaxation throughout the body. You're almost there. You're so close. You're feeling that relaxation almost to that comfortable bed. Ninth step. 10th step, you're there. Dive into the bed, into the comfortable bed. Allow yourself to feel that wave of relaxation throughout the body. Allow yourself to fade away. Allow yourself to fully rest.